Is from Matthew 1 to 3. Paano ba yung basahin yung verse ba yun? Or paano? Chapter 1 to 3, verse...
Yung malaki, ito yung malaki yan yung chapter. Ito itong format, chapter yan. Yung verse, yung maliliit na number.
Okay.
Kasi ito yung book.
So, Book of Matthew, chapter 1 to 3, verse 15. So, yung rema ko is, let it be so for now. For in this way we shall do all that God requires. So my reflection, sabi ko dito, these words struck in my heart in my current situation. It's like God is telling me, my child, let it be so for now. I know in my heart that He will provide everything for me, but He is giving it one by one as per my needs because He wants me to do what He requires. He wants me to more close to Him, to know Him very well, to trust Him with all my heart and soul. So, sa motivation, totoo pala yung sinasabi mo, no, na bigla mo siyang kasi nagtataka ako sa'yo, paano naman niya nalaman na dun sa book na yun yung diba? Tinanong ko talaga siya na, paano mo nalaman? Yung talaga? Na-open mo? Paano? Naisip mo ba? Naka-curious talaga ako. Ito nangyari sa akin na parang dun mo siya titignan kasi diba sabi niya motivation. So, nakita ko siya dun sa Luke.
Ni-reveal sa'yo.
Yeah. Book of Luke. Chapter 1, verse 4. So, sabi niya doon, I do this so that you will know the full truth about everything which you've been taught. So, God is talking to me in this chapter, in this verse, by telling me that He is doing something good or everything in my life because He wants to teach me how to obey Him and believe Him. He is not giving everything right now because He wants me to learn everything first.
Diba? So, ano yung pinakang natutunan mo doon, Te?
Ayun. Natutunan ko doon is yun nga. Parang, yung sa nangyayari kasi sa akin, parang, hindi niya pa, si God siya powerful siya. Kumbaga parang, sige na nga, ito sa'yo, ito lahat. Yung maganda lahat ibibigay niya eh. Hindi naman niya, kumbaga hindi niya yung tititirin. Parang, isang bagsakan kaya niyang ibigay kasi nasa kanya yung power. Pero, ang ginagawa niya pala sa atin, binibigay niya one by one, unti-unti. Kasi gusto mo na niyang,
ma-appreciate natin pag
ma-appreciate mo. Tsaka yung parang, bakit ko ibibigay na